Hey guys, nowadays Zoom is getting viral because of pandemic COVID-19 or coronavirus. A lot of people are working from home. So if you're about to use Zoom for your virtual meeting or video conferencing and you are beginners and don't know how to set up or use it, then this video is the right for you. So just keep watching until the end. Hey guys, Jimmy the Spider once again is here. Please make sure to subscribe if you are new to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Now guys, just type in Zoom. So we have to go to Zoom website. And then we have to use Zoom free version, this basic account, which allow you to host up to 100 participants, unlimited one-on-one meetings, and then 40 minutes limit on a group meetings, guys, and then unlimited number of meetings as well. If you are a teacher, then it's better to get pro version, so that's why you have unlimited time for your classes. But if you don't want to pay $14.99 or $15 per month, then there's another option. I will tell you how to do it, guys, to remove 40 minutes limit time. So just keep watching until the end. Now we have to sign up. Now guys, we are here. If you have a company email ID, you can use it, guys. Just type in your company email ID and sign up, and then additional information just like your name and password and other basic information required by Zoom, then you have to fill in. If you don't have company email ID, then you can sign up by your Google account or Gmail ID or by your Facebook account. Now I don't have a company ID, so I will use my Gmail account. So I will click this sign in with Google. Now we are here. You have an option to host a meeting with a video off, or you have option to host a meeting with video on or screen share only. You can join a meeting, guys, as well, but meeting ID or personal link name is required, so you have to put it here, guys. You can ask the host to provide a meeting ID, and then when you have a meeting ID, then you can just put it here and then click join, and then at the same time you can schedule a meeting. You can put your topic or your subject if you are a teacher, and then you can just write the description, which is optional, and then the date, the timings, the duration, and other basic informations, and then you can just fill in, guys, and then click save. Now let's try to host a meeting with video off. Guys, if it's Zoom is not yet downloaded to your laptop or to your desktop, then you can just click download and run Zoom, and then it will be downloaded to your desktop. Now guys, we have to open Zoom meeting. Now guys, we are here right now. Here you can mute microphone or your speaker. You can start video, and then you have security over here, and then you can invite participants, and then you can do chatting, and then you can share your screen, and then you can do recording as well. And then if you have to end the meeting, then you can just click end. Now let's start with this microphone. This microphone, guys, you have an options. Either you can use a SIM system, and then you can change as well SIM system, and then you can test the speaker or microphone, and then you can do audio settings. And then guys, start video. Now you can just click this video, and then you have settings over here, video settings. At the same time, you have to choose a virtual background if you like it, guys. For example, you have to change your background, the San Francisco Bridge here, and then this one, guys. So it depends on you as well, guys. If you are using a green screen, then you can click this one as well. And then but now I'm not using background, so I have to click none. Okay. Now the security, guys, you can lock meeting, or you can allow your participant to share screen, chat, rename or themselves the participant. Now here this participants, you can invite participants. Just click here, and then you have the option to invite a participant, mute all, unmute all, guys. And then you can mute participants only, allow participants to unmute themselves. You can play, enter, exit this one, guys. And then you can lock a meeting as well, guys. And then if you have to invite a participant, just click here. You can invite by contact, by email ID, default email, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and then you can just copy invite link, so that you can just send to your through your messenger, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and other messenger account. Guys, you have to provide this meeting password to your participants or to your student, so they can join the meeting or the classes. Now you have option as well. In the Zoom meeting, you're allowed to do chatting. As here, you can chat to everyone, and then there's another option over here. Chat no one, host only. You can chat to host only, everyone publicly, and privately. So you have option over here. You can share the file as well from your computer, from your Dropbox, from Google Drive. In the Zoom meeting, you have option to share your screen, whiteboard, web browser, your desktop. So you have option here, guys. For example, web browser. Here, your web browser, guys. You can share. And then desktop. Here, your desktop folder. You can share as well if you like it, guys. And then this whiteboard. Here, you can share as well to your participant. Okay. You have an option to do recording. If you want to record your meeting, just click here, and then you have option to pause the meeting or to stop the recording. The participant video thumbnails will appear here. Also your student as well, it will appear here, and then the name will appear over here as well, so you can see the participants. If you stop this recording, then it will automatically save to your desktop folder. It will be either audio, it will be audio only or video, guys, and then at the same time you can share that video or audio to your participants or to your students. Now in this Zoom meeting, guys, you have option to do reactions. You can just clap or applause, and then you can give thumbs up as well, guys. And then if you have to end this call, this meeting, you have option leave meeting, guys. When you click leave meeting, then other participants can continue the meeting. But if you want to end meeting for all, then you can just click meeting for all, end meeting for all. Now the recorded video started saving. Now let's open the folder. Now it's here, audio only, and then video as well, guys. So it's available. If you like to share your meeting video or audio, then you can share it, guys. You can send to your participant. Guys, if you are a teacher and then you are planning to use Zoom, and then in order to use a free pro with free version, you can just come here, guys, click solutions, and then you can see education, And then under education guys, Zoom is temporarily removing the 40-minute time limit on free basic accounts. But guys, you have to request this offer. Click request. Step 1, of course you have to have a free basic account, and then step 2, you can just fill out the bill information for your school in order to remove the 40 minutes time limit for any one of your school domain after verification. But guys, you are not allowed to use a personal ID just like Gmail account, Yahoo, or Outlook. So it's not allowed. You are not eligible to use it. And then guys, yeah, just type in the basic information of your school, email address, first name, last name. So it's a very basic information. And then after that guys, 72 hours, Zoom will notify you guys if the limited time lifted to your account. Okay, now guys, you have to click this Zoom program scores in the impacted areas. Just click this one guys, so you can see which countries are eligible in order to remove this limit time. So just click online learning blog post. So here guys, Zoom is proactive lifting the 40-minute meeting limit on free basic accounts for nearly 60,000 K-12 schools in the US. But there's some other countries like this one guys. Below, other countries as well are lifted for this 40-minute time limit. So this is the countries, so you can just check. But if your country is not mentioned over here, just try to fill up the form required by Zoom, and then maybe it will be approved by Zoom. It will be lifted by Zoom once they review your information. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please give thumbs up if you like this video, and leave your comment down below, and share this video to your family and friends. And please subscribe if you are new to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get more tips about your business. Thank you once again, Gmail the Spider at your service. Bye bye.